Hello everyone, Eric from Overland by Eric. 2 weeks ago I purchased another drone to add to my camera gear to get some aerial shots from our overlanding adventures. However, I found that I need a test, I need to pass a test, I need a certificate or license if you will. So I take the trust test and I passed it. Then I find out I cannot use it in some places like government buildings or military bases, which is okay. Then I can flew over people, which is kind of okay, you know, jeep meetings and stuff like that. You can't really fly over the people. Then I realized that in most of the national forests and all of the national parks, it's prohibited to use a drone. So that's most of the places that I was going to fly this drone. So this thing becomes obsolete in this point. Not really, but I can't use amount of the usage that I want to put on the drone. So I sit down and I start thinking about it. It's like, what's the creative way of taking aerial pictures? Some people have these long sticks and they take it up and down through the windows. I like that, but it still didn't give me that chance to take it up there. I need something that there is no regulations for it yet. So that takes a lot of thinking. So that was really ambitious. So I started thinking about it and I searched. I didn't really find anything in the internet. Then all of a sudden some light bulb came on in my mind. I want you to see this product that we made. This is pure my creation. And I want you to put your comment. How can we improve this? How can we make this product better? However, the drones, you can take off outside of the park and flew inside and bring it out. And I read about this on FAA and you're okay with that one. But before I forgot, I would like to say my special thanks to Foothill Discount Store who provided the material to build this with a discount. Besides that, the name is a Foothill Discount Store. They give me an additional discount to build this thing since they find out it's a science experiment for me and for everybody else that is a viewer. So without any further ado, I want to take you to the product we made. Part of it is on me still and the rest of it is in the Jeep. So let's move over there and see if that thing is gonna work out. The ones that are blown up, is the problem. Because we lost 4 hours. Alright, so in a way up here we lost one balloon flying away and then we lost 4 of them, they just blown up. So the idea is with these 2 strings I can manipulate this thing the way I want it and I'm sending it up and it has a follow me. It has a follow me option. Also, you can have the return to home button. That's your return to home button. However, if you have an emergency situation, it's called Ruger 1022. You can use any weapon to just shoot the balloons that comes down fast, but that's gonna damage your device a little bit. So your best shot is bring it down by hand. It takes 4K videos if you have a nice iPhone. And as I mentioned earlier, I just lost enough balloons to not be able to put my phone on it and then be strong enough to go up there. but we're gonna try it again. It goes up. The flight time on this thing is 2 days. It's more than any drones because the balloon is gonna stay up there as long as you want it. And as you can see, I just feed it from my pocket and it goes higher and higher. I think the footage you can mirror. Basically what we do with using an app, we mirror the footage from there to one of our phones here, and then whatever you see out there, you see here, you can adjust this accordingly. A Power Mirror is one of the apps you can use up there, and yeah, basically this is how we did it, and it goes higher and higher. I'm using a kite rope, but you can use any rope to take it up. It's very cheap, and it was more straight, so I'm gonna return home button is very fun. You just pull it back. Will conclude the video of today. I wish I had those balloons that I lost. That would be a perfect flying moment for this thing, but you need pretty much 15 helium balloons that is gonna just take this thing all the way to the air. This is the idea up here. Hopefully, you know, you guys will try a better and improved version of this, and let me know. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Push the like button once or dislike button twice. Thank you very much for watching.